Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find count occurrence of a character. Okay, I'll start by importing the package import java.util.star class main public static void main string args. Okay, I'll get the input value from the user. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. I'll get the string value from the user. Okay, string str equal to sc dot next line. Okay, now I'm going to get a character value from the user and I'm going to count the occurrence of that particular character in the string str. So I'll take a character ch is equal to sc dot next dot char of 0. So I've got the character value from the user. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to iterate one character from the string. So I'll take a for each loop and I'll start iterating the character one by one. So I'll take for char temp colon str dot to char array. So I'm converting the string into character array and I'm using for each loop to iterate the character one by one. For example, if I take the input value as hello, the string str is converted into character array here. Now from this character array, I'll be iterating one character by using the for each loop. Now what I have to do, I have to count the occurrence. So I'll take a variable called count. I'll initialize the value with 0. Okay. Now I'll compare the character. If the character we are iterating from character array, that is temp, is equal to ch, because we are going to count the occurrence of the character ch. If both are equal, I'll increment my count value. If it is not equal, I'll not do anything. Once the iteration is over, I'll print the count value. That's all. For example, here I'll take the input value as hello. I'll take the character as L. Okay. First, I'll get the character as H. H and L are equal? No. I'll go for the next character called E. E and L are equal? No. I'll go for the next character called L. L and L are equal? Yes. Count value will be incremented by 1, which becomes 1. Then I'll go to the next iteration. I'll get the next character called L. L and L are equal? Yes. I'll increment my count value by 1, which becomes 2. Then I'll go to the next iteration. I'll get the character called O. O and L are equal? No. So I'll go for the next iteration. That's all. I have completed the iteration of the entire character array. I'll come out of the for loop. I'll print the count value as 2. That's all. Let's run the code now. I'll give the input value as hello and the character value as L. See, I've got the output value as 2. That's all. Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to toggle case. So it doesn't mean that if it is a lowercase, I have to convert into uppercase, and if it is an uppercase, I have to convert into a lowercase. Fine. Import java.util.star. To get the input value from the user, I have imported the package called util. Class main. The execution always starts from the main method. Public static void main string args. Let me create an object for the scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. I'll get the input value from the user. String str is equal to sc dot next line. Okay. I'll take a variable called result. So here I'll take an empty string where the results will be stored in this empty string. I'm going to convert the string into character array and I'm going to take one character. I'm going to use for each loop for char ch. So convert string into character array. So str dot to character array. For example, if I take the input value as hello, okay, this string will be converted into character array and it will give one character to ch. So I'll be checking whether it is an uppercase or lowercase. First I'll check if it is an uppercase or not. So CH greater than or equal to uppercase A and CH less than or equal to uppercase Z. So if it satisfies the condition, it is an uppercase alphabet. What we have to do, we have to convert into lowercase. So result equal to result plus, okay, with result I am concatenating. I have to convert into lowercase, right? We can do in two ways. One by using inbuilt method or with the logic. So I can say the ASCII value of uppercase A is 65 and the ASCII value of lowercase a is 97. From uppercase I have to convert into lowercase. So uppercase a is 65, lowercase a is 97. So I'll add, the difference is 32. So I'll give CH plus 32. I'll convert into character. In case if it is not an uppercase alphabet, then obviously it is a lowercase alphabet. I'll convert into uppercase. So I'll give result equal to result plus, I'm converting into character. This is called as typecasting. So from 97 I have to subtract 32. CH minus 32. It will be converted into lowercase. Finally, I'll print the string result. System.out.println result. Let me save this and let me run the code. I'll give the input value as hello. See, I've converted into uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. This is one logic. Another logic is I'll give result equal to result plus character dot to lower, right, to lowercase ch. This is by using inbuilt method. Here I want to convert into uppercase. Result equal to result plus character. This is a character, right? So character dot to upper ch. Let me save this. Let me run the code. I'll give the input as ABC, ABC, ABC. See, we have toggled the characters. That's all. Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to count the vowels and consonants in a string. Let's start by importing the package. Import java.util.star class main. The execution always starts from the main method. Public static void main string args. Okay, I'll create an object for the scanner class. Scanner s equal to new scanner system.in. We have to get the input value from the user. So string str equal to sc dot next line. Here the input can contain uppercase and lowercase both, but we have to find the number of vowels and consonants. So what I'll do is I'll try to convert all the characters into lowercase. So str is equal to str dot to lowercase. Done. Let me print and check once. System.out.println str. Let me run the code now. I'll give hello. See, all the characters have been converted into lowercase. Fine. Now I'm going to convert the string into character array and I'm going to iterate the character one by one. So char ch. So the string name is str dot to character array. So I'm going to convert the string str into character array and I'm going to iterate one character by using the for each loop. First we have to check whether it's an alphabet or not. So for that, if ch greater than or equal to lowercase a and ch less than or equal to lowercase z. Okay, I'm checking whether it is an alphabet or not. If it is an alphabet, I have to check whether it is a vowel or not. If ch equal to a or ch equal to e or ch equal to I or ch equal to o or ch equal to u. So if it is a vowel, it will match any one of the case. If it is matching any one of the case, then it is a vowel. So I'll take a variable called vowel. I'll initialize the value as 0 and consonant as another variable. I'll initialize the value as 0. If it satisfies this if condition, the variable vowel will be incremented by 1. Vowel equal to vowel plus 1. If it is not matching any of these cases, I'll go for consonant and I'll increment the consonant value. Okay, that's all. Once the loop got over, I'll print system.out.println. First I'll print the vowel value, then with a space I'll print a consonant value. Let me save this. Let me take the input value as hello. Okay, here what happened, I'll convert the entire string into lowercase alphabet. I'll comment this. Fine. Now I'll start the iteration. First I'll have H. So I'll check whether it's an alphabet or not. Yes. I'll go inside. I'll check whether it is matching any of the cases. No, it is not matching any of these cases. So consonant value will be incremented by 1. So from 0 it becomes 1. Then I'll go to the next character called E. Check whether it is an alphabet. Yes, of course it is an alphabet. Check whether it is matching any of these cases. Yes, it is matching this case. So it is a vowel. So the value of vowel will be incremented by 1. Then I'll go to the next character called L. Check whether it is an alphabet. Yes, it is an alphabet. Then I'll check whether it is matching any of these cases. No. I'll go to else part. The consonant value will be incremented by 1, which becomes 2. Then I'll go to the next character called L. Check whether it is an alphabet. Yes. Check whether it is matching any of these cases. No. So I'll go to else part. I'll increment the consonant value by 1, which becomes 3. Then I'll go to the next character called O. Check whether it is an alphabet. Yes. Check whether it is matching any of these cases. Yes, it is matching this case. So it is a vowel. So vowel value will be incremented by 1, which becomes 2. Then when I try to go to the next character, I don't have any character. I'll come out of the for loop. I'll print the value of vowel and consonant. So output will be 2 space 3. Let's run the code now. I'll give the input as hello. See, 2 space 3. That's all. Here if I give hello world, it works fine. Because 3 vowels. E, O, O. 3 vowels. Consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 7 consonants. Space is not considered because we are checking whether it is an alphabet or not with this condition. So space, it is not satisfying this condition. I'll not go inside this if condition at all. I'll go for the next character. Okay, that's all. Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to reverse a string in Java. Reverse a string. Okay, so I'll start the program. Input java.util.star. So I'm going to get the input value from the user. So for that I have to use scanner class. That's why I'm importing the package called util. Class main. The execution of the program always starts from the main method. Public static void main string args. Fine. So I'll create an object for the scanner class. Scanner sa equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. Fine. I have to get the input value from the user of type string. So string str equal to sc dot next line I'll get. Okay. Now I'm converting the string into character array. So character ch is equal to str dot to character array. So I have converted string into character array. Fine. Now I have to reverse. So let's assume the input is hello. I'm going to take the input value as hello and I have to reverse this. So I'll take the input as hello. Hello. Fine. Now we have to reverse this string. So let's take this input str and I'm converting into character array ch. So I'll take the same. Index values I'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I have to reverse the string. So I have taken the string and I'm converting into character array. So the reversing logic is very simple. What I can do is I can take the first character and the last character and then I can swap it. Then I can take the second character and the second last character and then I can swap it. If I take the first character and the last character and if I swap this, I'll have O H. Then I'll take the second character and second last character. E here, L will be here. the iteration should happen till the half of the string. So if the length of the string is 5, 5 divided by 2, so till the index value 2, I should give the condition saying that I less than 2. I should not go I less than or equal to 2, I less than 2. So this character will be in the same position. So I have reversed the string. So I don't want to iterate till the entire string, half of the string, that's enough. So I will be getting the reverse string. This is the logic which you are going to use to reverse the string. So I have converted into character array. Fine. Now I am going to take two variables, int I equal to 0, j equal to str dot length. I less than, okay, str dot length divided by 2. Till the half of the character only I have to iterate. I value will be incremented and j value will be decremented. So this is logic of two pointers. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I have to swap two characters. So now I value is 0, j value is 4. Okay. Now we are in these two places. Now what I have to do? I have to swap these two characters. So I will take a variable called temp. I will give ch of I. Now ch of I is equal to ch of j. Then ch of j is equal to temp. So what I have done here? I am swapping O with H. Done. I am done with swapping. So after swapping, I have to go to the next iteration. When I go to the next iteration, I value will be incremented by 1 and j value will be decremented by 1. Now I will be on these two places. So check the condition. I value is 1. 1 less than 5 by 2 is 2. 1 less than 2, yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to swap those two index values. So E and L has to be swapped. L and E will be swapped. Done. After that, I will go for next iteration. I value will be incremented by 1. So I value becomes 2. 2 less than 2, condition becomes false. I will come out of the loop. So after coming out of the loop, I have reversed the character array. But it has to be given as a string. So I will give string result is equal to, I want to convert character array into string. So I will give ch dot to string. And I will print the result. Let me save this and let me run the code. I will give the input value as hello. Okay, there is an error here. Array index out of bound exception. Okay, so here the index value for the last character string length minus 1. Okay, that is the error I have got. Let me run the code. I will give the input value as hello. Okay, I am getting an error here because this string conversion is the error. So new string of ch. Let me run the code. I'll give the input value as hello. OLLEH, because I am trying to convert the character array into string. So it should be like this. New string of ch. OLLEH. That's all. Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Okay. Fine. Let's start by importing the package. Import java.util.start class main. So the execution of the program always start from the main method. Public static void main string args. Fine. I have to create an object for the scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. I have to get the input value from the user. String str equal to sc dot next line. Okay, let's assume the input is AA, BB, AA. This is the input value. So to check whether the given string is a palindrome, I don't want to reverse the string. So let's take the string as this. That is AA, B, B, A, A. Okay. I'll take the index value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's take the string as str. Okay, now I'll take a for loop for int I is equal to 0, j equal to str dot length minus 1, because I'm going to compare first character and the last character. Okay, and iteration will be happening till half of the character, because we are using two pointer. I value will be incremented, j value will be decremented. At one point will come to the center, so I want to iterate only half of the string. So I'll give the condition as I less than half of the string. So I'll give str dot length divided by 2. I value will be incremented and j value will be decremented. So here first what I'm going to do is I value 0, j value length minus 1. I value is 0, j value is 6 minus 1, which is 5. So I is pointing to the index value 0, j is pointing to the index value called 5. Now I'll compare these two characters. If these two characters are equal, then there is a possibility of being a palindrome. If these two are not equal, directly I can say that it is not a palindrome. In this case, I'll check if str dot caret of I is not equal to str dot caret of j. In case if both are not equal, what is the actual meaning? It is not a palindrome. It is not a palindrome. So I'll just print a message saying that system.out.println not a palindrome. In case if you want to return something, okay, yes or no something, if you want to return, you can take a flag variable, boolean value. So I can take boolean flag is equal to, initially I'm considering it as 1, saying that it is a palindrome. So I'll give flag value as 0, saying that it is not a palindrome. Then I'll break. Initially I'm considering the given string is a palindrome. In case if the characters are not equal, I'll give flag value as 0 and then I'll say that it is not a palindrome. But in this case, it is equal. If it is equal, what should I do? I will not go inside the if condition. I value will be incremented and j value will be decremented. Okay. So here I value is incremented by 1, j value is decremented by 1. Now check the condition. I value is 1. 1 less than 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 less than 3, yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I'll go inside the for loop. I'll check the characters. So character of I and character of j. So the character is a and a. Both are equal. If both are equal, I will not go inside the if condition. I value incremented, j value decremented. I value incremented, j value decremented. So I value is incremented by 1, j value is decremented by 1. Check the condition. I value is 2. This is condition is 3. 2 less than 3. Yes, of course, condition is true. I'll go here. I'll check characters present at both the index value are not equal. Actually, it is equal. If it is equal, what should I do? I will not go inside this if condition. I'll increment my I value. I'll decrement my j value. I value is incremented by 1, which becomes 3. J value is decremented by 1, which becomes 2. Check the condition. 3 less than 3, condition is false. I'll come out of the for loop. After coming out of the for loop, I'll check if flag is equal to 1, it is a palindrome. System.out.println, yes, I'll say that it is a palindrome. Okay, it is boolean, right? I should not give 1, I should give true or false. That is why I have got an error. If flag, if it is true, I'll print yes, else I'll print no. That's all. This is the logic of palindrome. In case if the characters are not equal, let me give like this. Let me give the string as like this. I'll give A, here I'll give C. Okay. So I'll compare first two characters. A, both are equal. I'll go inside the for loop. I value will be incremented and j value will be decremented. I'll compare these two characters A and C. It is not equal. If it is not equal, I'll go inside the if condition. I'll make my flag value as false and break the loop. When I give break the loop, I'll come out of this for loop. So if false, I'll go to else, saying that it is not a palindrome. Let me save this code and let me run the code. I'll give the input value as madam. See, it is saying that yes, it is a palindrome. And if I give the input value as hello, saying that it is not a palindrome. That's all.